Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you are new here, hello, welcome. Today we created this orange monochromatic pumpkin patch whimsical design, freckle design. I think it's really cute, so simple. If you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Yeah, hello. Today is Friday and I am going to do another Halloween-y thing. Look. I wanted to go with the orange theme. This is red. Whopped out the old roll neck because it's freezing cold outside. It's pouring with rain. And yeah, oh, hold on. Let me put some cat ears on. Straightened my hair earlier, went out, took dogs for a walk, got soaking wet, my hair's gone curly. Right, there you go. Let's do that instead. Oh, my lips. As soon as winter's come, my lips are drying up, they're chapping up, and I've got like a split just there, and your tongue keeps going. So, because I'm going to go with orange, I'm going to try the Lip Love Balm. This is Tropic Lip Love Balm. I'm just going to coat my lips. So I've got an array of things. I've got some face paints, some water activated face paints from Snazaroo. I've got some makeup. I've got various eyeshadow palettes because I'm not sure. They've all got an orange in it, but I'm not sure what type of orange I'm going to need. And I've got some different orange lipsticks. So yeah, I'm going to do orange to, you know, show my love for pumpkins. So it's going to be a fun look. I'm thinking of just doing a simple orange eye and then maybe, tapping my face, and then maybe some little pumpkin freckles. I am going to pop a little bit of foundation on. This is a little sample size. I do love my samples. This is the Urban Decay. Just going to pop a little bit where I normally conceal, and I'm just going to blend that in. So that was just a very light coverage just to get rid of any of that redness that I had. I don't like a thick amount of foundation on my face. I very rarely actually use foundation nowadays, but if I do, it's just a teeny tiny bit, mainly on the centre of my face, and just blending it out. I avoid as much as possible my forehead. Now I'm just going in with a spot of concealer just in the centre part, and that concealer was slightly lighter. Oh, this sponge, I just wet it. Oh, and it feels so good. My skin feels so dry today. I am going to set my face with the Bperfect setting powder, just with a big fluffy brush. I'm going to put a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury on. I still put a teeny tiny globule on. I've got something itching my nose. I know it's going to be like a cat hair or something. Or a dog hair. Okay, let's not disturb that powder. It was such a light amount of powder, that's fine. Bronze slightly. Look what I got. It's the Physician's Formula butter bronzer. And you know when everyone says how much it smells delicious? It doesn't smell freaking delicious. It smells like fake coconut and shea butter. It smells alright. It smells okay for, but I expected like absolutely like just pure coconut or something, but it smells like fake smelling. So I think I'm the only person ever in the world to dislike the smell of it. You know, it smells okay, but it makes me laugh when you hear people saying how gorgeous it smells. Oh my god, it's the best smelling thing ever. It reminds us of holidays and tropical, and it doesn't at all. Unless it's where it's new. No, it just smells like coconut mixed with shea butter, mixed with something else, mixed with makeup. Now that the complexion is done, I'm going to start on the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to put just a little blob of white concealer on my eyes. So just a light dusting of that white concealer. If I zoom you in slightly so you can see a little closer with what I'm doing. I'm actually going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go into Rusted, which was that colour. Just a little tiny pencil brush, and I'm just going to go and stamp that along that lash line. I'm going to do like a sunset kind of eye, but all orange, and I'm just going to blend it just slightly, what's left on the brush, just down into that inner corner. So then I'm going to go in with that one there that was from the Stacey Marie palette, and that was the shade Lit. I'm just going to stamp that all over the lid, and then just past the crease. I'm going to dip my head there a little bit to get into that crease. Okay, and then to blend that colour out, I'm going to go in with that one, which was the 518 from the James Charles palette. So just dipping in, going right on top, just about 50-50 over that line, and just whirly, whirly, backwards and forwards, just like that. And just the same as any other look, you just need to go back in with each of your brushes, with each of those colours, and just deepen up each colour, because when you're blending, obviously you do end up blending some of the colour away. So as you're blending them together, you blend them away. Let's just do that on that eye, and then I'm just going back in and re-intensifying that red that we put along the lash line. Then you have something that looks like this. I'm going to go in with the orange from the Jawbreaker palette, the sparkly one, which was this one here, and that is the shade Orange Juice. And I'm going to use that to go in my inner corner. I know these shades say not for the immediate eye area, and most of them don't irritate me, but the Jeffree style ones do. So I'm going in to that inner corner, but as you can see, I'm bringing it up. Okay, and then I am going to go into the Jawbreaker palette, into the shade Jawbreaker, which is just a generic, dare I say it, white highlighter with gold flecks, and I'm just going to use that to, I mean, the James Charles palette has it, most palettes have that kind of shade in them, so I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with that, and I'm actually going to bob a bit just right in this, bob, 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 just right in that inner corner. Oh, I should not have done that. Oh lovely. Along the bottom lash line, I think I'm going to go back in to Rusted, stamp that as close to my lash line as I can. I'm actually going to wing it out slightly, and then I'm going to go in with the shade 518. Brush is a little bit big for this. Alright, I'm going to pop a couple of layers of mascara on. I think we'll do lashes later. I have a funny feeling that my bin just flew away. I'll go and check on that in a second. I fancy popping on a green waterline. Now this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon. Okay, so I'm going to pop that on my waterline. Come on. I hate these kind of things when they promise something and then they don't deliver. Comes out quite nice on your hand. But I don't want it on my hand. I want it in my waterline where it's supposed to go. Well, that's sad. The other ones work pretty well. Right, while I attack the crap out of my eyeball trying to just get this green on. Right, well, this is disappointing. A bit tuggy. It's not giving out any colour hardly at all. I think it's had enough time to warm up. My eye's starting to get a little bit sore from keep on. That's not doing its job. That's all. Let me zoom in, sorry. That's as green as I can get it. So I'm going to pop a little bit because now I really want it to be green. I'm going to pop a little bit of green eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star Sour. I'm just going to use a little liner brush and stamp just a teeny tiny little bit of that just on the waterline, which that is pretty cool, but it's not as bright as what I wanted it. My eyes are quite sore now actually. Okay, I'm gonna go and pop some lashes on and I will be right back. Okay, our lashes are on. They were not playing ball, I tell ya. They're being a pain in the bum. I've lost my cat ears. Someone's stolen them. I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette, that 518 shade, on a big fluffy angle brush, and I am just going to pop a little bit on my cheeks as my blush. We are going to go in with a Snazaroo watercolour palette, and this is an orange, so that's one here. Just using the brush it comes with. Just popped a little bit of water on it, not too much. And I'm just going to do little circles for pumpkins. Just little simple circles. Different sizes. Get a little eyeliner brush, get that wet. Oh, I need a green. I have got a green. This one in this palette is a bit of a brighter green, I think. Right, and so on the tops of each of those, I'm just going to put a little stalk. So they look like that. Right, then what I want to do is get a brown eyeshadow. No! Look what I just did. I just stuck my finger right in eyeshadow. Damn it. Just gonna get another little eyeliner brush, and I want like a very dark orange or a brown, the James Charles palette, and go into, I think it's 10% off. And I'm just gonna do little curves just like that on the pumpkins. So they all look like that. I'm tempted. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. We're gonna go with it. So I'm gonna do from the tops of the pumpkins, just little swirlies. Makes them look a little bit whimsical. So they're kind of all joined together. Proper little pumpkin patch. And then some leaves with the James Charles palette. I think it's called Daddy. And then just dip in some of that lighter green just in the middle of those leaves. So this is what we have got so far. Cute little pumpkin patch. Okay, I'm going to pop some lipstick on. I don't have any bright, well I have bright orange, which is this, but it's not a very good bright orange. It's a bit too transparent. Let's try this one. This is the Morphe in Lovely. Oh, I love this colour. It's lovely. Do with a little bit of sparkle. Should I pop a little bit of sparkle on to make it more whimsical? I'm going to go in with the glitter palettes, Lumi Lights. Yes. That's got a slight glitter of greens and golds in it, so that works out beautifully. Oh yeah. I don't even know whether that will pick up, but I know it's there. That's all that matters. Can you pick that up? So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. This very cutesy little look. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I am here for you every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Have a nice Halloween and I'll see you all next time. Bye.